Hello and welcome to everyone. In this new video, we will learn about the legend of the Italian city of Colobraro and the curse that befalls everyone who visits it. A town legend holds a decades-old secret, set in the ethereal landscape of rugged mountain ranges, lush forests, and ancient villages in southern Italy, notorious for deformed births, suspicious car accidents, and terrible natural disasters. The town is located at the top of a hill in the Basilicata region, southern Italy, and it is called Colobraro, which means the snake, which is an animal symbolizing evil in ancient Italian myths. Many people believe that it is a cursed city, while no one dares to pronounce its name. Residents of the surrounding areas of Colobraro call the town Cielo Basi, which means that village in the local dialect. They are quick to touch the wood when they hear the name to ward off bad luck, believing it to be a charm. The ominous fear of mentioning the city's name is so profound that the police will not punish visitors who speed up the awning-like avenues of Colobraro for fear of being slandered because they believe there is a reason behind it or an escape from some misfortune. The bad reputation of the legend began during the first decades of the 20th century, according to the New York Post. The reason for the spread of this reputation was a very enthusiastic lawyer in the city called Virgilio. This lawyer was known to have never lost a case. In one of the pleadings, Virgilio said, "If what I am saying is false, I wish this chandelier would come down." He did not complete his words until the chandelier fell to the ground. The incident did not cause injury to anyone, but according to legend, the lawyer became an example of evil and was later called the city's fortune teller. During the 50s of the last century, the story of Alvarado was no longer the reason why the city's name was not mentioned by the neighboring cities, but the legends moved to the women of the region who are said to be famous for magic and possess miraculous abilities acquired over the years. Known as the deep-wrinkled old woman, Colobraro was believed to be a black witch with the famous curse that afflicted the city and became known as the Witch's Lair. This myth was strengthened when, in the following decades, tales of newborn babies with 2 hearts and 3 lungs, sudden strange landslides and horrific car accidents were told. However, the curse is said to only affect visitors to the city. A resident of the city told the same source that according to her ancestors she is immune to the curse of the city, and added that these things only happen to people who come to Colobraro for the first time in their lives and who believe in omen. While other residents of the city say that it is just legends that have nothing to do with reality, and there is no magic or bad luck in the city. While some visitors to the area blame the city and describe it as doom and gloom after being stranded in the city or having car tires or engine failure. Starting in 2011, the residents of Colobraro began producing an annual street theater show titled Dream of a Night in That Village, which told about the strange history of the village with the addition of some legends to help scare visitors. The city is visited annually by many tourists, especially in the month of August, which coincides with the timing of the play starring the witches Messiari, in addition to the werewolves and other creepy characters that occur along the streets and squares, while offering tourists some special words that they believe to keep the jinx and evil known to the city.
If you like the video, do not skimp on us by subscribing and pressing the like button, Minister of the Bell.